Meaning of domestic.
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 Domestic. The term domestic refers to something that is related to or occurs within a specific country and its internal affairs. It can also refer to household activities, as well as animals and plants that are cultivated or kept indoors. The word is often used in contrast to foreign or international, and can have different connotations depending on context. In general, domestic issues are those that affect a country's own citizens and do not necessarily involve other nations. Examples include local economic policies, social welfare programs, and law enforcement practices.